Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Assist video, and today I will be showing you how to change the language on your Bose SoundLink Revolves into Japanese. And so all we have to do is do a hard reset, and that's using the power button, holding it down. It's going to say the percentage first.
Batterie à 100%.
Currently we're in French. Wait for the blue light to turn off. Okay, so now it's off. Then we're going to go ahead and just hold it down. The power button again.
English.
No.
To select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
All right, so then we're going to go ahead and push the plus button.
Espagnol.
Plus button.
Deutsch. 中文。日本語。
Okay.
日本語を選択するには、マルチファンクションボタンを長押しします。
So now we are in Japanese. All right, guys, when you want to confirm, go ahead and hold this button.
接続準備完了。
Okay, once you have that, then we are good. So now it is in Japanese. All right, guys, so I hope this video helps. If it does, then please like, subscribe, or comment. Okay, let me turn this back on.
バッテリー 100%。接続準備完了。
All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.